Alright, so we're about to shoot some Tannerite. Only 1 pound, R700, chambered into 308. 1 pound of Tannerite. As you see, it's over there.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Want to put one in there?
Yeah, that'd be good if you put one in there. Step back a little bit. Just let me know before you fire. Ooh, it's cold.
Fire.
That's great.
1 pound.
1 pound.
1 pound Tannerite. Good. Great.
Let's walk up there. Only 1 pound of Tannerite. Can't believe this stuff is legal. Whew, I can smell it. We put a hairdresser's head out here. There's leaves, no leaves. That's where the blast. Now we put it on this metal container, which I will let you know that this was just a box, and now it's nothing. So let's go over here and see the head. There's the head. There ain't. Yeah, she had a bad hair day. Alright, well, that was 1 pound of Tannerite. Alright, guys. Well, that was 1 pound of Tannerite. We'll be shooting more probably this weekend. So, stay tuned for that.